In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to promote your Shopify store effectively. Promoting your store the right way can help you attract more visitors, increase sales, and grow your online business faster. So let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and make sure your store is fully set up with products, collections, images, and important pages like Contact Us and Shipping Policy. Next, focus on your product presentation. High quality images, clear descriptions, competitive pricing, and customer reviews can make a huge difference when promoting your store online. Now it's time to start driving traffic to your website using social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Create short videos showcasing your products, demonstrations, customer reactions, or trending content related to your niche. Platforms like TikTok can help products go viral very quickly. You should also use trending hashtags and engaging captions to improve visibility and reach more potential customers. Another powerful strategy is running paid ads through TikTok ads, Facebook ads, or Google ads to target audiences interested in your products. Inside Shopify, you can also connect marketing tools by going to apps and sales channels to integrate social media platforms directly with your store. Email marketing is another great option. Collect customer emails and send promotions, discounts, product updates, and abandoned cart reminders to increase repeat sales. You should also optimize your Shopify store for SEO by using searchable product titles, keywords, and detailed product descriptions, so customers can find your store through Google searches. Consistency is extremely important when promoting your Shopify store. Keep posting content regularly, test different marketing strategies, and monitor what performs best. Over time, strong branding, engaging content, and consistent promotion can help grow your audience and increase your store's sales significantly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to promote your Shopify store. Thanks for watching.